What's up, y'all? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm back out here with the 90ST. And this time, not so much to show it off, I have these new batteries by Beta FPV. Beta FPV is the name of the company, the brand, I guess. And they're 450 milliamp hour 2S LiPo batteries, 7.4 volts with 80C160C discharge rate, and an XT30 connector. So we about to test the integrity of these batteries, see how nice they work. So let's get this thing fired up. They say 450 milliamp hours. The stock battery that came with this thing is 450 milliamp hours supposedly, but it's smaller than these. These are a little longer, but the same thickness. So we're about to see how well these things work.
Welcome to OpenTX.
I have 4 of them. They came in 2 packs for 20 bucks. Oh, and look like they might be overcharged for this thing. Sometimes this quad does that. If the battery has too much juice, then it'll alarm. I don't know why it does that. But anyhow, let's try to fire this thing up. We're recording. So let's try a punch out. So nice punch out. No sound of the buzzer at all. Oh well, actually the buzzer is going off repeatedly. What am I talking about? This test isn't going to work until this thing calms down. So let's see. Maybe the battery is depleted enough that it won't do that anymore. Yep. So now we can test it. Let's try a punch out. We're still in angle mode, so it didn't beep. Let's try it again. Wow. So these batteries might be the real deal. Slide around a little. Still in angle mode. Do some flips with it. Back in angle mode. Let's see. Straighten the battery out a little. The battery is crooked. Okay. Back in the air with it. Back in air mode. So no sound of the buzzer at all. Try another punch out. Wow, so I'm impressed with these batteries. They're good. And they can be got off Amazon. Beta FPV. Your 2S batteries with an XT30 connector. 60C to 80C to 160C discharge rate. So that's pretty awesome. Let's do a little FPV with it real quick. Still no sound of the buzzer. And I've been flying this thing for a little while now. So these batteries are the truth. Let's bring it back. Where am I? Somewhere around here. In this dark area right here. Man, still no sound, no sign of the buzzer buzzing at all. Whoa. I think I heard the buzzer that time a little. Okay, there it is. But no browning out. There it is. And so that's it. A quick flight of the 90ST, or I'm hearing that this thing is actually the XFX 90L or Lancian L 90L. Whatever. Beta FPV 80C to 100C discharge rate, 450 milliamp hours. Pretty awesome battery. Thanks for watching.